Hello guys, we are back with another GFG problem. Today's problem is we have to find the height of the binary tree. So, what is actually mean of the height? Height it's actually mean uh, the maximum level from the root node. Means I have to find the depth of that tree. So in that case, the highest depth of this tree is 1 and 2, means it have depth 2. It means height is it has height 2. In that case, let's take another example. In that example, the height is, this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3. It means it goes to the level 3, so the height in that case is 3. So we have to find the height of the binary tree. So how can we find? If we able to find the maximum depth of the tree, so it is our answer. So what's our duty? We have to find out the maximum depth from the root node. So it's our answer, and it's a highly like and highly asked question. You can see that question asked in Amazon, Cadence, Coupon Dunia, DShaw, FactSet, and many more company, Microsoft. So let's try to solve this problem, and it's a basic question for the binary tree. So let me do one thing. Yes. So how can we approach this thing? So it's a tree problem, and we don't do all thing manually. We call it recursion, and recursion do its own work. We have only do smart works in that case. So we know one thing. If our root is null, if our root is null so it means if our root is null, it means it doesn't have any value. Means, so it means the level is 0. If we have a root, we have no, if we have a empty root, so it's not possible, it's not so any uh, root, so that means it going to return 0. But and after that, what I do, I call it my recursion. Let draw your attention here. Here I'll just add this number, I'll add it this level. But after adding this thing, I call it my recursion. Hey recursion, find out the maximum find out the height of the uh, left subtree, and again call it similar fashion. Hey recursion, find out the height of the this right subtree. After that, what I do simply one manipulation. uh, in the maximum of the both of right subtree and left subtree, I'll add it 1, and it's our answer. So what actually I want to say, I call it my recursion. I'll add it my root value, means this one is indicating my actual position. It means it actually represent my root, and I call it the height function here, and I call it recursion. Hey recursion, find let's go and find out the this right left subtree height. And in the similar fashion, I call it right subtree and say, hey recursion, do my job, find out the height of the right subtree. And recursion do that. After doing, I simply do some manipulation, I add it only one level in that case, and I'm done. That's my height of the string. So what I do, I'll call it my height, I call it height. See, it's a node, and here they also node, sorry, I call it node left, and I have to find out the maximum of left and right. So call it max function. Maximum of right and left. that's it, I'm done. Let's run our code. And yeah, it giving right answer. So let's submit our code, guys. And it's accepted. So thank you guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section.